put these together. A-end fittings. Cut the line with a cutoff wheel. Seems to work really good. Make sure it's nice and high speed. These are threaded and reversed, so left-handed. So when you put them on, twist them left, and they'll catch. I like to put a little electrical tape there when you cut it so the line doesn't fray. Then I just wrench this thing down. And go until it stops. Can't see that, but in the side there you'll see where the hose stops at the end of this fitting. Take the end that you need, get a little lube on the tip there, shove it in, make sure it goes into the hose. You start it by hand. Vise. Now on the bottom of the hose here, you want to make sure you're not pushing it out. So it's good to mark it, but I just put a little upwards pressure with the one hand and then crank it on down with the other. They make special anodized aluminum tools so you don't ruin the surface, but it's just on one side. You're not gonna like keep grabbing it in different spots till it locks down, and that's it. So you can see it kind of just where the jaws grab on the one side, but